You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, this thing just launches so well. Oh, that Porsche's coming now though. The BMW's been dropped. Here comes the Porsche. It's going to be close, right to the line. Can I hold on? Can I hold on? Oh, that is a photo finish.
The replay showed the Nissan just crossed the line first, but both it and the Porsche did the quarter mile in 10.8 seconds. The BMW was quite a bit behind, with a still very respectable 11.2 seconds.
Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, locked in third gear, in manual mode with the auto gearboxes. So let's do it. I'm going to call it. Here we go. 3. We're there. Porsche, easy now. 3, 2, 1, go! This picks up really good. That Porsche's going now though. My gosh, that Porsche is nuts. It's quite level with me in the GT. It's quite level with me in the BMW. I just managed to stay ahead of it. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, we're going to do a full emergency stop. Now that Porsche is the lightest, about 1650. This is about 1750, and that's almost 2 tons. It's 1950 kilos. So let's see what happens. Also, I'm the only car without common ceramics. I'm on normal still. So here we go. Oh, now that is blooming close. I do just think the Porsche won that.
So in the end, it was 0 for the M5, 1 for the Litchfield Nissan, and 2 for the tuned ES motor Porsche. Or so I thought. The Porsche's driver discovered its special drag racing tyres weren't at the correct pressures and claimed this hampered its launch. So as it was getting dark, we decided to have a rematch.
Oh, good start, neck and neck. Come on. Oh, that thing is fast. That thing is super fast. And that is that.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.